Maintenant, c'est temps pour la lecture ensemble. Time for shared reading about le poulet basquaise. Alors, il est, il est important à savoir que le poulet basquaise est un plat principal de la Nouvelle-Aquitaine. C'est du poulet en sauce piperade. La sauce piperade est composée de l'ail, de tomates, de poivrons et d'oignons. Il est important à savoir que it is important to know that le poulet basquaise, Basque chicken, est un plat principal, is a main dish de la Nouvelle-Aquitaine, from New Aquitaine. C'est du poulet en sauce piperade. It is chicken in piperade sauce. La sauce piperade est composée de l'ail, de tomates, de poivrons et d'oignons. The piperade sauce is composed of garlic, tomato, pepper, and onion. And is this pepper the spice or pepper the veggie? Poivron, oui, is pepper the veggie. Now, j'ai une question. How come there are two E's on the end of composé? Yes, it goes with la sauce piperade. So because this is feminine, we got to add the extra E to make it match. All right, next prochain paragraphe. D'abord, il faut découper le poulet et les légumes. Firstly, we must cut the chicken and the vegetables. Après ça, il faut faire revenir le poulet et le débarrasser. After that, we need to make it come back, which is a cooking phrase that doesn't really translate nicely into anglais, right? But this is to make it brown. What are we making brown? Le poulet et le débarrasser. And take it away. So where's the it? This le here, right? This le is the it. And what is the it replacing? It is replacing poulet, right? Because we could be repetitive like babies and be like, débarrasser le poulet, but we're
mature grown-ups
learning French. All right. Puis, il faut suer les légumes. Next. Then we must sweat the vegetables. Ensuite, next, il faut mettre le poulet sur les légumes et le cuire pour 45 minutes. Next, we must put the chicken on the vegetables and cook it. Or should we say cook them?
What?
I think we should change it to them so that we're referring to the veggies and the chicken. Les cuire pour 45 minutes. Finalement, finally, il faut le servir avec du riz ou des patates douces. Finally, we must serve it, because now, so it is what? Le poulet basquaise. We're replacing, now it's a whole dish. It's not these separate ingredients that were living alone once upon a time. One big happy family. All right. Serve it, right? Le poulet basquaise avec, with, du riz, rice, ou des patates douces, or sweet potatoes. Bon appétit!